Today we're here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Cardano for the month of June? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Right now we're going on about 4 months of ChatGPT predicting Cardano correctly. Let's see if they can do it in June. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is Cardano. We are guessing the price of ADA for June 2026. Right now ADA is sitting at around 21 cents. Look back at ADA's historical performance in June since it first launched. Has June usually been a positive or negative month for ADA? Give me 3 guesses for June 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alrighty, and we officially have our answer right here with some bad news that June has historically been a negative month for Cardano overall, with more red Junes than green ones. But now let's take a look at the actual answer. The bullish guess, 26 cents, range 24 cents to 28 cents. The bearish guess, 18 cents, range 17 cents to 19 cents. The official guess, this is the guess that matters, this is the guess that everything gets ranked off of. The official guess is 22 cents, range 20 cents to 23 cents. But there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you agree with any of these guesses? The bullish guess, the bearish guess, the official guess? Or do you think we're somewhere else, like $100 by the end of June or a penny by the end of June? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm pretty interested. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Subscribe and like crypto news, scam alerts, how to guides. J Money Crypto. Stay informed.